Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're taking a really fun, imaginative journey into English grammar. But don't worry, we are skipping all the intimidating jargon. Grab your mental passports, because we're about to unpack exactly how to project ourselves into the future. It's basically time travel. Okay, let's dive into this. Imagine it is exactly 8 p.m. tonight. Just picture where you are, what's happening around you, what are you right in the middle of doing. This simple act of imagination is actually the exact communication problem we're solving today. How do we accurately describe being right in the thick of an action in the future? Section 1. Time traveling in English. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the brilliant analogy it uses. It tells us to think of the future continuous as putting yourself in the future and looking around at what is happening at that exact moment. Seriously, imagine you just stepped into a time machine. You punch in a date, you open the doors, and you just look around. What do you see actively in progress? So, by definition, the future continuous is used to talk about actions that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. Now, if grammar rules usually stress you out, let me reassure you. This tense is just a handy tool. It's simply a way to describe what you're seeing when you step out of that time machine at your future destination. And looking at a timeline, well, this brilliantly illustrates how the action straddles a specific moment. Take watching an 8 p.m. TV show. Step 1, the action actually starts before 8 p.m. Maybe you settle onto the couch at 7:55. Step 2, at exactly 8 p.m., the action of watching TV is actively in progress. You're watching it. And step 3, after 8 p.m., the action continues. You're right in the middle of it. Let's look at a much more fun example. This time next week, we will be lying on a beach. You can almost feel the sun, right? The action of lying on the beach starts before this exact time next week, and it continues after it. You are right in the middle of your vacation, which, let's be honest, is far, far better than being stuck in the middle of a Monday morning commute. Section 2, the future continuous formula. Let's move to and see how this builds, because we're going to equip you with the exact grammar rules. Now, I want to strongly reassure you here. This formula is incredibly comforting because it is completely consistent. There are absolutely no tricky exceptions depending on the subject. I, you, he, she, it, we, they, it literally doesn't matter. It's just 3 easy steps. Step 1, pick your subject. Step 2, add the magic words will be. And step 3, add your main verb, but just make sure it has an ing ending. That's the whole shebang. So the crucial point is noticing how neatly this snaps together every single time. Subject I plus will be plus working becomes I will be working, or she will be sleeping, or they will be driving to New York. See, the 3-step formula works perfectly every time. Section 3, making sentences negative. Let's shift gears and talk about the things we absolutely will not be doing. We're making a sentence negative. The only difference is dropping the word not right after the word will. So it's subject plus will not be plus your ing verb. Super simple. Let's look at some real-world examples. I will not be attending the meeting tomorrow. The sweet relief of missing a boring meeting. Notice how will not slots right in there. Or take the second example. He won't be playing in the game next week. That's a huge bummer for the team, but pay close attention to that contraction, won't. It's a supernatural conversational alternative to saying will not. You're going to hear and use won't all the time. Section 4, practice your new skills. All right, it is time for an interactive, low-stakes finale. Let's test out your brand new time-traveling toolkit. Here's your first prompt. Tomorrow at 10 a.m., she blank in the library, using the verb study. Take a second, grab that formula from your memory, and shout out the answer. The answer is will be studying. Tomorrow at 10 a.m., she will be studying in the library. Awesome job applying the rule. That is perfect grammatical time travel right there. Let's try a negative statement. Don't forget to check that negative rule we just covered. They blank to Paris tonight, and the prompt is not fly. What do you think? The answer is will not be flying, or if you use the contraction, won't be flying. Both are perfectly correct. They won't be flying to Paris tonight. Using won't just makes it sound incredibly natural. Okay, last one. Keep that energy high. I blank for you at the station using the verb wait. Go ahead and form the answer.
And the answer is, will be waiting. I will be waiting for you at the station. Huge congratulations on mastering the three-part consistency of the future continuous tense today. You absolutely nailed it.
To wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a challenge. This time next week, what will you be doing? Seriously, put yourself in that time machine right now, look out the window exactly 7 days from today, and describe the view. Keep exploring English, and thanks so much for joining us.